Welcome my friends. Today we are going to learn ordered list and unordered list. So ordered list starts with the UL tag. Each list item starts with LI tag. So UL means unordered list, then you close it down. But inside the unordered list we are going to have lists. LI means lists. Then the first list is going to be PHP. Then we close that list. Then the second one is going to be HTML. Then you close that list. The third one is going to be SQL. Then you close that list. Then the fourth one is going to be Java. Then you close that list. After that you go and save. Go to file, save, then you go where that browser is, then you refresh. After refreshing, it will be in breadth format. That's the unordered list. Then we are going to have the one for unordered list. It's for OL. Then you close OL. Then we put lists. The first list is going to be JavaScript. Then we are just going to copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Don't mind about the cases. Doesn't matter if it is in small letter or capital letter, it can work. Then after that we change here to WordPress. Then we come here and we say Scratch. Then we come here and say then we come here and put, then we save and refresh. For it's going to be in numbering format. That's what we call ordered list.